3.
Hey guys, I'm Eric McCoy. Since I knew Steven is about 2 years ago, he introduced me to this website of online jobs. Since then, it has assisted me in maybe the first and the most important thing in paying my school fees at the University of Nairobi, and then I completed last year. Though this work has so many challenges, but I think we need to persevere and still move on. As you start, you may have some challenges. Maybe they reject your work, but as you move on, after you have cleared about 20 writings, I think from there you can enjoy the fruits then. Guys, I hope you will cooperate and move on with and ask Steven to guide you through this process, and you get a lot of money. This is a self-employed job that you can do at part-time or anytime you need to do it, as leisure at night, anytime. Otherwise, I wish you all the best. Thank you.